God had big plans for Israel. He was going to use them to restore his presence among all the nations. To do that, he had to teach them how to love God and how to love each other. So God used Moses to give us and them the 10 Commandments. First off, how to love God. Number 1, do not worship other gods. Allah, Zeus, Thor, Osiris. Don't worship them. Not that you would, but God wants your worship because he deserves it. Because no other gods actually exist. Number 2, do not fashion idols. Not many of us today are carving idols out of wood or molding them from gold. But if someone says, "I don't think God cares if I'm mean," well, you've just molded God into your own liking. Or if someone were to say, "My God doesn't care if I don't forgive," yep, you just fashioned for yourself a new God. Number 3, don't use the Lord's name in vain, meaning in an empty way. When you use God's name as a cuss word, that's disrespecting the God who made you. Love him enough to be respectful of his name. Number 4, remember the Sabbath and keep it holy. God wants us to rest and worship. He gave the original Sabbath as a gift to Israel, and we are to observe and enjoy that gift also. Next up, how do we love each other? Number 5, honor your parents. When they tell you to do dishes, honor them. When they make you do your homework, obey them. When they make you eat your vegetables, love them. Even when they mess up, obey, love, and honor them. Folks, it's hard to be a parent. Number 6, do not murder. Killing someone is selfish and mean, but Jesus and his apostle John tell us to hate someone is murder. We should not hold hate in our heart because hate is the seed that leads to selfishly taking a life. Number 7, do not commit adultery. God invented marriage and gave it as a precious and sacred gift to humanity. He doesn't want us to do anything that can break a marriage up. We are to honor our vows and only love our spouses in this unique way. Number 8, do not steal. God does not want us to steal because it's dishonest, mean, and hurtful to those who you steal from. Number 9, do not lie. God is honest, true, and trustworthy. He expects us to be like him. No fibbing, no telling a false tale. God wants honesty. Number 10, do not covet. Covet means to desire things in a wrong way, or to crave things with no meaning, or to be greedy. When you are always, gimme, 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 and you're never thankful to God for what he's already given, you are coveting. God wants us to relate to him and each other in loving, beneficial ways. As we do this, the world around us gets better, and we can shine as a light for those in this dark world.